Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools with Zoho, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zoho website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Zoho account. Explore Zoho's suite of AI tools available to you. Identify which AI tool aligns with your business needs. Once selected, access the tool from your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface provided. Review the available features and functionalities. Consult the user guide or help section if needed. Begin by setting up your preferences within the tool. Input any necessary data or information to get started. Utilize templates or predefined settings if available. Test the tool with a small project to understand its capabilities. Monitor the AI tool's performance during your initial trials. Collect feedback from your team on usability and functionality. Take notes on any challenges or issues encountered. Adjust settings based on feedback to enhance efficiency. Incorporate additional data as your comfort level increases. Regularly revisit the tool's updates or new features. Implement best practices as you continue using the AI tool. Start integrating the AI functionalities into your everyday workflows. Track the impact of the tool on your overall productivity. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize its use. Share insights with your team to refine the process further. Continue exploring other AI tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.